Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Hello Neighbor Alpha 1 using an easy method. This early version of the game was initially released as a free demo, showcasing the core stealth horror mechanics. It features a basic house and fundamental gameplay elements, primarily serving as a proof of concept for the neighbor's advanced, learning artificial intelligence. You can experience the game's origins and see how the unique AI adapts to your actions, offering a constantly evolving challenge. One straightforward way to obtain Alpha 1 is through GOG.com. Simply navigate to their website and search for Hello Neighbor. You will find a dedicated page for the alpha version, which is clearly marked as a free early demo. Look for the download link or button, usually prominent on the page, and click it to start downloading the game's installer. This method ensures you get a legitimate and complete package. As an alternative, the Internet Archive provides another reliable source for Alpha 1. Head over to the Internet Archive website and use the search bar to look for Hello Neighbor Alpha 1 Dynamic Pixels. You should find an entry for the game, often including various download options. Choose a common file type, such as a RAR or ZIP archive, and download it to your computer. This is a great resource for preserving older game versions. Once you have downloaded the game, either run the installer directly or extract the files if you chose an archive. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation, which typically requires about 2 GB of available storage space. After installation, you can launch Hello Neighbor Alpha 1 from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. Get ready to sneak into your neighbor's house and uncover its secrets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.